Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. So how's you all? Hope you're all fine and good. God bless you. Always be happy in your life. Always be keep smile. Today we'll see in this video. So lovely viewer will see in this videos most beautiful and stylish, unique hand printed rock stones ideas in 2025. You will see in these videos modern and stylish, unique hand printed rock stones ideas in 2025. So lovely viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos. You will see new top attractive and trending hand printed rock stones ideas. If you like my videos, so viewers, please download it my videos. And if you like this one stylish, unique hand printed rock stones ideas, so guys, I might suggest it, just keep on watching these videos till the end. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in these videos. Top attractive and trending you will see in these videos. Unique hand printed rock stones ideas will explore in these videos. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Fabulous and attractive, stylish, you will see home decorations ideas. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. So this video is very attractive and very stylish designs. Marvelous and stylish, you will see hand printed rock stones ideas. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in these videos. So guys, I might suggest it, just keep on watching these videos till the end. Marvelous and stylish, you will see beautiful stylish rock stones ideas, pebble stones art ideas. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos. This video is very attractive and very stylish designs. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in these videos. You will see new top attractive and trending home decoration designs. Marvelous and stylish, you will see unique stylish home decoration trends. So guys, I might suggest it, just keep on watching these videos till the end. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. I hope you like new all modern home decorations ideas. Watch my full videos and enjoy new top attractive and trending home decor trends.